A very good morning to you all students. Let us start with the new chapter, that is letter writing. Under our syllabus, we will be following with the different types of letters. That is, we will be handling with first letter, that is business letter. Second is official letters. Third is letter to the editor. And fourth is application for jobs, right? This letter might not be in your syllabus, but still I want to explain because you must know about this letter. Clear? So, four types of letters we will be covering in our syllabus. That is, first is business letters. How business letters is written. Second will be your official letters. Third will be your letter to the editor. And fourth will be your application for jobs. So let us move with the first letters. First, the most important letter which we are handling day by day, that is official letters. And letter to the editor, right? Now we will be going about the format. What is format? The way the letter is written. So exactly you should know the format, how the letter is written, in which format you should follow, so that your letter should be in a complete format, right? First, sender's address. Your first line will be sender's address with pin code, right? Then label line, you need to write the date. Then label line, you need to write inside address with pin code, right? Then again label line, write the subject. Clear? Then again label line, write respected sir or ma'am, sir or madam. Then label line, below that will be your introductory para. Then will be your main body of the letter. Then your concluding para, right? Then leave a line yours sincerely, below that signature, below signature, full name in capital, full name in capital, and below that designation if needed. Clear? So this is your format, students. Kindly understand the format very clearly. Unless and until you will understand the format, you won't be able to write the letter in a proper format. Clear? So we are handling about official letters as well as letter to the editor. Clear? Official letters, day by day, it's a essential requirement. You should know how official letters should be written. First of all, look at here. I have written each and every word in a proper way. Below that, below that, below that. So it should be in a one line. You shouldn't move your word. अपने वर्ड को आप एक भी यहाँ से वहाँ मूव नहीं करेंगे. जस्ट एस के नीचे पी आया, पी के नीचे डी आया, डी के नीचे आपने फिर से आई, पी एंड एस एंड आर. Simultaneously, this letter, this word should be in a proper line. Clear? First of all, remember that. Secondly, यहाँ पे भी आप देख रहे हो, ये भी मैंने आपको स्ट्रेट लाइन में मेंशन आउट किया है. Clear? This is the first point you need to remember and look about it. The first line we have given sender's address. Clear? With pin code. Now who is the sender's address? Sender's address कौन है? आपसे अगर क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए कि सेंडर्स एड्रेस में किसका एड्रेस लिखा जाएगा, whose address will be written here? Either me, मेरा एड्रेस होना चाहिए, या फिर to the person to whom you are sending the letter. किसकी एड्रेस यहाँ पे होनी चाहिए, right? Accordingly, आप आंसर करोगे to the person to whom we are sending the letter, right? But this is not the correct answer. What should be the correct answer? The correct answer should be, in sender's address, you are sending the letter to the other person. You are sending the letter to the other person, right? You are sending the letter to the other person. So who will be the sender? Me. यहाँ पे आपका own address रहेगा, right? You are the sender. You are sending the letter to the other person. तो ये एड्रेस जो सेंडर्स एड्रेस यहाँ पे मेंशन किया गया है, that will be your own address with pin code, right? Then leave a line. This line signifies कि आपको एक लाइन छोड़ना है and next आपको डेट लिखना है, right? Now today's date is 31st January, 2021. This should be your letter date format. Clear? In this way you need to write the date. Secondly, दिस लाइन सिग्निफाइज लीव वन लाइन बिलो द डेट, डेट के नीचे आप एक लाइन छोड़े. फिर आया आपका इनसाइड एड्रेस. व्हाट डज दिस सिग्निफाइज? इनसाइड एड्रेस विद पिन कोड. ऊपर मैंने आपको बताया sender's address. Okay, next class we'll continue. Thank you, students.